Imagine a kitchen that feels instantly warm, cozy, and timeless, where soft colors and warm neutrals wrap you in comfort every single day. This is the kind of space that feels like home the moment you walk in, and it's easier to design than you think. Morning light pours in, wrapping the kitchen in a soft, golden glow that feels like a warm hug. The beige walls and light oak cabinets blend so naturally, you almost forget to admire them. Sunlight dances across the creamy quartz countertop, making the textures feel inviting and alive. The gentle curves of the island and the subtle veining in the stone create a calm, timeless rhythm. Standing there, coffee in hand, everything feels quiet, cozy, and perfectly balanced, a space that feels like it's always been home. Walking through the open doorway, the kitchen unfolds like a soft, living story. Beige walls and off-white cabinets feel effortlessly elegant, while the light taupe island grounds the room with warmth. The L shape opens gently toward the breakfast nook, where sunlight spills across the floor in soft, inviting rectangles. From the living area, the camera angle makes the whole space feel airy and connected, like one continuous room. The stone backsplash and wooden floors add quiet richness, and the soft hue of everything wrapped in daylight feels like a gentle, comforting embrace. From above the island, the room feels like a calm, composed painting. The sand-colored upper cabinets and caramel lower cabinets form a cozy contrast, while the island's light oak top glows softly under the skylight's glow. The diagonal lines of the layout draw your eye through the space, and the way the sunlight falls creates gentle shadows that define every surface. The backsplash's subtle texture catches the light, and the bowl of fruit and woven basket on the countertop feel like little moments of everyday poetry. The whole kitchen feels balanced, intentional, and peacefully welcoming. Stepping into the kitchen, the warmth of the ivory cabinets and ivory walls wraps around you like a soft blanket. The taupe island center feels like an anchor, both grounded and inviting, while the light oak floor glows under the afternoon window light. The U-shaped layout feels cozy and practical, yet still open to the living area. The camera angle from the doorway shows how the colors blend seamlessly, creating a sense of calm continuity. The ceramics and textiles on the shelves add a quiet liveliness, and the sunlight feels like a gentle hug that lingers long after the day begins. In the morning, the beige walls and light oak cabinets feel like a warm invitation to slow down and enjoy the moment. The kitchen's soft tones blend together in a comforting harmony, and the way the light fills the room feels like a quiet promise of peace. The island's warm terracotta base adds a touch of grounded warmth, while the marble-look countertop catches the sunlight with subtle, elegant veins. The woven chairs and neatly arranged bowls feel like little details pulled from a favorite dream, and the overall space feels inviting, timeless, and deeply personal. The kitchen feels like a soft, sun-soaked embrace every time you walk in. The taupe walls and white shaker cabinets create a calm, soothing backdrop, while the light oak island countertop glows richly under the daylight. The tall window above the sink floods the room with brightness, making the backsplash's subtle texture shimmer. The camera angle emphasizes the rhythm of the cabinets and the openness of the layout, and the few ceramics and bowls on display add a quiet, lived-in charm. It all feels like a warm, welcoming space that would feel like home from the very first day. From the doorway, the kitchen feels like a warm, inviting extension of the living room. The creamy cabinets and light oak floor blend so seamlessly, the light feels like a soft, continuous glow. The beige marble-look island countertop reflects the morning light with gentle gray veins, and the small breakfast bar feels cozy and intimate. The camera angle highlights the way the colors flow from room to room, and the linen curtains flutter softly in the breeze. The green plant on the counter adds a quiet touch of life, and everything feels like a calm, timeless embrace that invites you to stay a little longer. The kitchen feels like a calm, sunlit pause in the middle of a busy day. The sand-colored walls and white lower cabinets create a soft, airy contrast, while the light oak island countertop feels warm and inviting. The backsplash's subtle sheen catches the light, and the few bowls and mugs on the shelf feel like a quiet pause in the day. The camera angle emphasizes the gentle rhythm of the cabinets and the way the light falls across the countertops. Textiles and ceramics add cozy layers, and the whole space feels like a warm, comforting place where time slows down for a moment. The kitchen feels like a warm, open canvas that changes with the light throughout the day. The beige walls and light oak cabinets blend so naturally. The room feels like a soft, continuous embrace. The taupe island countertop glows under the bright daylight, and the way the light falls across the floor creates a gentle, inviting rhythm. The camera angle highlights the harmony between the materials and the openness of the layout, and the few textiles and ceramics add cozy warmth. The whole space feels like a calm, timeless sanctuary that feels like home wherever you stand. The kitchen feels like a warm, intimate corner where the world slows down. The ivory walls and light oak cabinets create a soft, inviting backdrop, while the caramel lower cabinets add a touch of grounded warmth. The marble-look countertop catches the light with subtle veins, and the camera angle highlights the cozy breakfast bar and the gentle flow of the layout. The few ceramics and textiles feel like little moments of everyday grace, and the linen curtains flutter softly in the breeze. Everything feels like a quiet, comforting embrace that invites you to linger a little longer. The kitchen feels like a soft, sun-drenched sanctuary where every detail feels intentional yet effortless. The ivory walls and light oak island countertop blend together in a warm, inviting harmony, and the creamy stone backsplash glows softly under the skylight's glow. The compact U-shaped layout feels cozy and practical, and the camera angle highlights the symmetry and the gentle rhythm of the materials. The few textiles and ceramics add cozy layers, and the green plant on the counter adds a quiet touch of life. The whole space feels like a warm, timeless embrace that feels like home from the very first day. A kitchen like this doesn't chase trends. It simply grows deeper in meaning over time, becoming a quiet sanctuary where light, texture, and color come together in perfect harmony.